What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, creating a sketch illustration of a Shiba Inu dog. Let's begin today's lesson by building out the basic shape of our drawing. We're going to start at the very top and sketch a line coming down the center of our page. So start up here. Just going to lightly work our way down towards the bottom. Now in the center, draw another straight line going across from left to right. So start with the left side and extend that out towards the right. Now I'm going to use these lines to help us create a circle in the center of our page. So from the middle, let's step up towards the top and mark off the top of our circle. And then we'll take this distance down towards the bottom and do the same thing. Let's repeat the same process across this horizontal line. Again, taking this distance from the center towards the left, mark that off, and then again, doing that same thing on the right. Now you want to connect each of these points with a curve to create our circle. So we start with the top left. Just going to loosely work our way around. And the circle doesn't have to be perfect. We just want to get the right size. Going in the center of our page. You can always go back and just smooth this out. From the side of our circle, let's sketch another straight line coming down towards the bottom. And this will help with the symmetry of our drawing. And then we'll add one more line going across the bottom, going out toward the left and then the right. Now we're going to start blocking out the main facial features. Let's start by sketching an oval on the bottom half of our circle. So we'll start right in the middle, go around the left side, come down towards the bottom of our circle, and go all the way around the right side. Now on either side of that oval, we draw two circles for the eyes. So start with the left, line this up over on the right. Now let's go to the middle of the oval and sketch an oval going out towards the side, back in and across towards the right for the nose. I just want to get the right size. So right about there. And then just underneath the nose, we're going to draw a straight line going across the top edge of the mouth. From the corners of the mouth, draw a straight angled line going up and out towards the side. And then from these 2 points, we're going to draw the bottom of the mouth. We're going to open up the mouth coming down and in toward the middle, like a half oval. And go back up towards the right. Now I want to go back and add some basic shape to the eyes. Start from the top, draw a straight line going out. Then pull this down and in. Do the same thing on the right. Now from the inside, angle this down and in towards that bottom line. Let's bump out the side of the head. Starting from the side of our circle, just going to bump this out, come down, and then in towards the bottom. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Going out, down, and then in. And then along the side, draw a straight angled line coming down the side of the body. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw in the ears. We'll line up at the center of the eye, all the way up towards the top of our circle. Curve this up and then out. And then go on top of the right eye, towards the top, go up and out. From the top of the ear, it's going to round this out, come down and then in towards the side of the head. Now once we have the rough sketch of our drawing, we're going to go back and lightly erase some of these guidelines. Now that we have our clean drawing, we're going to go back and refine our lines and add some more details. We're going to start with the eyes. Start by tracing this out, just adding a little bit more shape to the top of the eye, coming in, just adding that point along the outside. I'm just going to draw a small circle along the top for the pupil, and a smaller circle on the top for highlight. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up towards the top, just adding that point, coming in, adding that circle on the top for the pupil, and then the highlight. Now in between the eyes, we're just going to draw a straight line going up, just to separate the forehead. You're just going to flatten off the top of the head coming in toward that center line. Just round out the tip of the ears, just getting rid of that sharp point. I'm just going to add a fold along the bottom, along the outside. Just want to trace the ear along the inside. I'm just going to go a little bit bigger with the nose. And the nostrils along the side. And coming down towards a point in the middle. Now let's add some shape to the muzzle. Trace over the inside of the mouth. And go back and just clean up our drawing. Now once we're happy with our sketch, we're going to go back and add some more contrast and detail. So I'm going to start back at the eyes. Now I'm going to make the eyes a little bit bigger. Just going to expand this out along the outside. And we'll darken up the center of the pupil going around that highlight. I'm just going to shade in the inside of the iris and a little bit of fur texture along the outside. Just working that fur around the eyes. And then we're going to move over and do the same thing on the right. Just going to add a light fur texture across the eyes in the middle. And then just darken out that line in the center. Just gradually blending that up and out. We're just going to add a light fur texture along the side, along the inside of the eyes, going around the side of the muzzle, and just lightly work our way across the middle, coming down towards the nose. Now just tracing out the outside of the nose, coming down towards the bottom. And we're going to darken up the nostrils on the inside. And we'll darken up the bottom of the nose and then just fade that up. Now you can see that I'm leaving a little bit of a highlight just underneath the nostrils to help create a little bit of shape. I'm just going to pull that hair coming up from the top of the nose. So a little bit of fur texture just underneath the nose towards the mouth. I'm just going to darken up the back side of the tongue and then fade that down. I'm just going to thicken up that lower lip, just darkening that up and working our way across towards the right. We'll just bring the chin down a little bit lower. Just tuck that up underneath. Let's add some whiskers along the side. Now we're just going to blend that fur along the cheeks going out. Now the chin is going to cast a shadow just underneath, across the neck. So we're just going to darken this up with some fur and just blend that out towards the side. Now using the side edge of our pencil, we're going to add some shape to that fur along the top of the head. Just pulling this down towards the eyes. And then just working our way out towards the side. Enhance that fur across the top of the head. And just adding a soft fur texture on the outside of the ears, going all the way around. I'm just going to add a little fold along the bottom, along the outside, and then just work our way in. And just darken up that fur along that center of the ears. Working our way around the perimeter of the head. Now as we get near the end of our drawing, we'll tighten up our shadows and add a little bit more fur detail, and that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of a Shiba Inu dog. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to keep drawing with me, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.